Have you ever opened your book, read the same sentence 5 times, and thought, why does my brain feel like it's on airplane mode right now? Because that's the exact moment when studying feels less like learning and more like fighting a very polite but very stubborn nap. And here's the funny part. Most of the time, it's not laziness, it's biology messing with you like a prank-loving roommate. Your brain runs on rhythms, chemicals, and tiny energy alarms. So when you try to study right after a heavy meal, during a natural energy dip, or in a warm, cozy room, your body basically whispers, this is a perfect time to hibernate. But instead of forcing yourself to power through with pure willpower, you can hack the system by working with your body, not against it. Like starting with a 2-minute rule, where you promise to study for just 2 minutes. Because once you start, momentum sneaks in like a ninja, and suddenly you're actually focused. Or using temperature as a cheat code by splashing cold water on your face or cracking a window, which tells your brain, hey, we're alive, stay awake. And if your eyes keep closing, stand up and read out loud for a minute, because it's really hard to fall asleep when you sound like you're giving a dramatic speech to your wall. Even light movement helps, like pacing while reviewing notes. And caffeine isn't magic unless you time it right. Drink it, wait 20 minutes, then start, so it works when you actually need it. And the biggest trick of all is forgiving yourself for feeling lazy, because beating yourself up just drains more energy, while small wins build it back. So the next time your brain begs for sleep in the middle of studying, smile, outsmart it with a few biological hacks, and watch how much easier everything becomes. And if this helped you even a little, hit subscribe. Stick around for the next video and come back tomorrow because your future self is already thanking you for it.